Freaking hand grenade. No, I'm serious.
There's the world.
There was a hand grenade, folks, and a magazine.
James is the host of Iron Antler Adventures, a family-run channel where he films alongside his wife, Raishea. And in this episode, they stumble across something you definitely don't see every day, a grenade that appears to still be active. Yes, you heard that right, a real explosive device with lethal potential. The situation instantly becomes tense because any wrong move could have serious consequences. It really makes you wonder, who would drop a live grenade into the water? An accident, negligence, or something a lot more suspicious?
Bubbles out there. We had something good. We still got something on here. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Frickin' grenade. Hand grenade. Oh yeah. Frickin' hand grenade. No, I'm serious.
There's the world.
There was a hand grenade, folks, and a magazine to a gun.
Holy cow.
Oh, wow. It's still got the pin in it, thank God.
Glad you didn't grab the pin.
Oh. Yeah, we'll definitely have to
Awesome, babe.
have the law come out here for that. I never dreamed of grabbing a hand grenade, folks. That is just crazy.
Oh my God. You seriously did. In the pens.
It's freaking crazy. Check
Is that
this
thing
out
100?
again,
Is that thing
guys.
100% legit?
My
As
God,
far as
that's
I know,
legit.
there's no holes in it. Most of them will have a hole drill in it. There's no hole in it. The pin's still in it.
Dude, I'm like shaking right now. I can't believe
Dude, I was
just found
shaking
that.
and I didn't even find
Oh my
it.
God.
I'm honestly impressed by how calm James stayed. He didn't panic for even a second. He handled the situation like a true professional, called the bomb squad, and the grenade was safely detonated. The whole event was so intense that even local news stations showed up to interview him.
Hi.
The news showed up.
Hi, I'm here.
Hey,
It's pretty crazy. They just found a grenade out here, so
You gotta do some
we're gonna get
fishing?
some interviews done and see what's going on. Awesome, James. So can you tell me a little bit about what you guys are doing out here today?
We're magnet fishing, cleaning up the waterways, trying to get all the rusty metal and anything out of the water to help clean up.
An absolutely fascinating discovery. I'm really glad everything ended safely, but it still raises the question, how did that grenade end up there? My guess is that it might be a World War II grenade tossed into the river by soldiers looking to dispose of unused munitions. There are plenty of similar cases across the US. And speaking of grenades, I also found one even more dangerous than the first, the kind ants use when they get into arguments with each other.
Guys, I've got a grenade. You know, for all those wankers that phone up the police. We're not phoning the police for this one.
If that first discovery shocked you, just wait. This is only the beginning. Coming up next are even crazier finds. Adult toys, mysterious bullets, a safe full of cash, and a bag packed with surprises. Stick around until the end. I promise you won't regret it. Nug, the guy behind the Exploring with Nug channel, is the kind of person who never knows what he's going to pull out of the water. A gun, a lost phone, or something that was definitely shocking. This time, he enthusiastically reeled in what looked like a simple glasses case. A pretty boring find until he opened it. Inside wasn't Grandma's reading glasses, but an object that had clearly visited places far more questionable than the river. The funny part is that Nug kept trying to figure out what that mysterious item was. He picked it up, turned it around, inspected the shape, and then suddenly it hit him. And that realization moment is pure gold. Let's take a look.
I got a mystery box. Looks like glasses.
We know what's in there. I got dibs, if they're any good. Definitely sunglasses. Maybe it's, I don't know, not a lot of people know this, but you can put your weed in there.
That's the Allen wrench that everybody loses.
Yeah. We're always on the look for the elusive 10mm socket too, so.
So sunglasses or paraphernalia?
I say sunglasses.
No, paraphernalia.
Really?
Well, it's a vape.
Maybe it's a special vape.
I think it's, oh wait, no, it's a, it is a, wait, what the heck?
Dude, is that... That's somebody's... Oh no, it's somebody's toy! Is that a... Is that a...
I think it's a toy, dude.
Oh no,
Glad
dude.
I wore gloves.
Dude, he was playing with it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's too much.
Why is it in a glasses case?
I don't know. That's funny though. Rinse it off. See if it's got like some Adam and Eve type stuff on it.
Ew, yeah, it's like a...
Oh,
Yeah,
dude.
it's like a...
Does it a clicker on the bottom? Oh, it is.
It's got electrical components.
100% an adult
Why is it in
toy.
a glasses case?
That's great.
Oh, God.
You was flicking it with your thumb. Oh no. Why is that out here? And why is it in a sunglass case? People are weird.
Like, maybe there's some sunglasses in there.
All right, well, I definitely ain't calling dibs on that.
There you go, you want?
I really don't. But that's... No.
Okay.
Oh, too much. Too much.
Most likely, that product didn't exactly get the job done, so the owner decided it deserved a one-way vacation straight to the bottom of the river. And if the original owner ever sees a recovery post about it, trust me, they're never replying. What would you have done in his place? Would you have tossed the thing right back into the water, or taken it with you to throw it in the nearest trash can so it doesn't pollute? Pretty funny, right? But get ready, because the next containers are a whole different level. Rumors say they might be used for drugs. Let's see what's next. That's Brad is a YouTube channel from the United Kingdom, run by a creator who's been posting magnet fishing content since 2015. His videos are genuinely engaging and really well put together. In this episode, Brad finds several CO2 cartridges, all in perfect usable condition. If someone refilled them, they'd work instantly. Still, Brad is skeptical and doesn't think they're meant for air guns. He suspects they might have a different purpose. He even suggests they could be connected to high-risk drugs. Brad, really? Or are you trying a little clickbait here? Watch the clip to see the discovery, and then we can talk about what you think they were actually used for.
Wow. Look at that. Look at all them. They're still sealed as well. Look. Wow. And there's even a balloon to do them with. All these drugs. I saw someone say on Facebook, a crack can. They're all fresh. They're all still... You can still use them. What they do is, what you do with them is you fill a balloon up with it, with the gas. I think it's nitrous oxide gas or something. Then they inhale it and they get high.
Brad says there are people who refill these cartridges with a different type of gas and then inhale it directly from the capsules to get high. I'm not denying his theory, but I've never heard of anything like that. I might have to go test it by myself. I'm kidding. I'm not that kind of person, and I don't encourage anyone to try something like that. From what I know, the air inside these cartridges is pretty hard to release in a controlled way, so it doesn't seem too realistic. What do you think? Is Brad's theory valid, or are these just ordinary CO2 cartridges meant for air guns and nothing more? After you drop your opinion in the comments, stay right here. The best parts of the episode are coming up next. Vintage police radios, a safe with money inside, and a mysterious bag full of surprises. You won't want to miss it. Shannon is the host of the Metalfish TV channel, a channel dedicated to magnet fishing, which he does together with his girlfriend Betty, and the two of them always manage to pull up something interesting. In this video, they find something that doesn't look important at first glance, but when you think about it, the story behind it might be pretty cool. They pull out an old police car radio, the kind officers use to communicate during cases, or when they wanted to sneak out for a donut break. Let's take a look at the find.
Oh, it's CV, Betty. Look, CV. Another one. Yeah, it's the second one of these I've actually caught. I caught one at the river about 7 or 8 months ago, probably. Look, check it out, guys. I guess we need to throw out a couple more times here. What's that lady doing? We're out here in the middle of nowhere, and it's like this is not a good area, and we got some sketchy people just driving by and just stopping and stuff. So unless they're fans of Metafish TV, I don't know what else they're be stopped here for nothing for. So we're kind of keeping our eyes peeled. But anyway, check that out, guys. Up. That didn't last long. Cord came right out of it. It's cool though. That's probably out of, looks like it's out of a police ride or something, Biddy. Yeah.
This radio was basically a communication hub for police officers back in the day. Before mobile phones and digital systems, officers used radios like this to talk quickly about cases, call for backup, or coordinate while out on patrol. Imagine that. Instead of sending a simple text, you had to search for an open channel, wait for someone to answer, and then clearly transmit every detail. Can you imagine using something like that during a normal day at the office? Do you think it would have been complicated or kind of fun? Stick around, because next up they pull out a safe filled with cash. You'll see exactly how they managed to open it and what surprises were hidden inside. YouTube says that 99% of you watching right now are not subscribed, which basically means everyone. If you enjoy magnet fishing and wild discoveries, hit that subscribe button and make it official. Danny Dip is one of my favorite creators in the magnet fishing niche. He has such a great vibe in his videos, and he always manages to pass that passion straight through the screen. In this clip, posted 9 months ago, he came across a safe. At first, it didn't look like anything special. Honestly, in my head, I was like, here we go again, another empty safe, until I saw what was actually inside. At that moment, I could already picture Danny daydreaming about a cruise in Tenerife. Let's take a look at how he made this discovery.
Lift up some. Lift up some. You gotta come my way. You gotta walk. Come on, walk it. There we go.
All right, guys.
Oh, I can breathe. We got it up on the rocks. Let me get down here so you guys how much water is actually in this thing. Look at all that water draining out of there.
Here, I'm gonna lift it and use that rope under there.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Let go of that rope, grab it. Oh my God, dude.
We got it up here.
Yeah,
this thing's never been opened before.
Has it?
They broke the handle. You can tell it's definitely never been opened. There's no pry marks or anything on this.
On the side this way. Turn it your way. We're gonna drop it and see, try and hit it on this corner. See if it'll open. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Nope. Oh my God, I ain't got no grip. Yep.
Left or right?
Just drop it down. 1, 2, 3, go. I think it opened.
All right, I think we may have got it open.
Oh, so close.
After several attempts, they finally managed to open the safe. It definitely wasn't easy. What looks like just a few seconds in the video must have been a whole lot of effort in reality.
There it is. Alright, let me take one of these gloves off so I can operate my camera. Alright guys, we're getting ready to shift through this. There's stuff in here. You want to hold this up?
Yeah.
What is this?
What is
electronic that? Box part that we broke. What's that? Or is that just goop? Alright guys, we got it propped open with one of the things we used to break it. We're going to start by this bottom part, getting some of this mud out, going through it. It's so gooey. All this mud that was weighing it down. I want to say this is a couple 100 pounds of mud. Alright. So we're just going to go straight to this top part.
Definitely a lot of mud in this
Felt like there's something in there. No clue. So much mud in here. Nothing in there. Oh. Ah, that mud is so heavy, guys. We gotta literally go through every bit of this. Oh. That feels like something right there. Dude, I think Oh, it's a shell. I thought I had a ring.
Oh, I thought it was a ring too.
I thought I had a ring. It was a shell. Darn it. How did the shell get all up in there? Come on, give us some money. Change anything. What's that? Is that paper right there? Oh no, it's a hole. That's where that thing was. Oh. That felt like something. Yeah. Oh. I don't know, man. It might be empty.
It definitely seems like it's empty.
What's this?
Oh, piece of paper. Is that money?
Is that money? No way. Did they forget? Did this get robbed and then they forgot money? Let's go get a water bottle. Dude, if this is money, that's crazy. Here, open your tailgate.
Okay.
Guys, we might have just found money. Dude, let this be $100 bill.
Sir.
Let that be $100 bill. Grab my water.
Yeah, water bottle.
Dude, I think this is money, Jeff. Dude, it's green. I think we just got money. Dude, that's definitely, I don't know what bill it is, but I'm hoping it's 100. It's definitely money. Look at that. Look,
Yeah,
it's green.
money. Hopefully it's a $100 bill.
Come on. Oh, it is money.
A $100 bill?
I hope so. Dude, here, move it to there. It's definitely a bill. Don't be a $1. Oh, it's a $5.
Yeah.
It's a $5 bill.
Do you think the effort was worth it? Danny Dip looks happy, but deep down, I think his heart broke a little when he realized there was only a $5 bill inside. When he first found the safe, he was convinced it had babies and that he'd be pulling out a couple $1 million. Still, I thought it was a really cool experience and a rare kind of find. I've learned to appreciate every single discovery ever since I started doing magnet fishing myself. Meanwhile, the only thing I kept pulling up was bottle caps. You're getting close to the end of the episode. I told you it would be worth sticking around. Next up is the mysterious bag that had something inside that made me laugh until I cried. Dig and Drag Magnet Fishing is a small YouTube channel with only 9 videos uploaded, but you can tell he had the potential to become a really entertaining creator. Too bad he didn't stick with it. In this final clip of today's episode, I picked a funny discovery that at first looked mysterious and full of suspense. He pulled up a net that looked like it was hiding something, and the entire ride through the water was filmed with a GoPro. But once the net reached the surface and he opened it, the surprise was absolutely hilarious.
Not very mystery. Yeah, but it, I know. Well, it's alright if you want a coconut. 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 It's a magnetic coconut, yeah. But well, there's a bag and it's some coins on it as well. Yeah, how many people can say they've caught coconut magnet fishing?
And just like that, he pulled a rooster out of the water. Seriously now, who loses something like that in a lake? My theory is that a monkey dropped it while coming back from grocery shopping. Or maybe someone was planning to make a smoothie right there in the lake. Unfortunately, we'll never know. Drop your theories in the comments. The funniest ones will be featured in the next episode. If you've made it this far in the episode, comment coconut. Make sure you subscribe.